Our vision is to displace petrol with sunshine across the African continent, and to do so in a way that is flexible, affordable, and pay-per-use.
When people do not have electricity, then you're disconnected from the world entirely. People who do not even have the money to purchase generator feels darkness is the norm.
The fuel subsidy was removed in Nigeria almost overnight. It's been in place for decades, and so it's a real paradigm shift in how Nigerians engage with energy. You know, we had a business where already we were able to compete with fuel, but this means that we can roll solutions out faster and wider because the market for disrupting petrol is so ripe. The problem with solar generally, replacing generators, is that no solar solution mimics the flexibility of fuel where you can just buy as much as you need when you need it. Our solution, our battery swap solution, solves that issue by making energy as accessible and as affordable as going out and getting a few litres of fuel, and there's no noise, no fumes, and they're getting better value for money for their energy.
So we're able to see all our agents across all our hubs in Nigeria. So we're able to monitor and track their activities, their daily rentals, available batteries. Before MOPO 50 came, people were using generator. The smallest of the generator costs over 100K right now. So not a lot of people can afford that. So we try to bring power closer to the people. You don't have to maintain it. We are the one maintaining it. So you just pick it up from our vendors and use. So by this, we're able to still create job opportunity for people. That is basically what we do, to just make life easy for people.
MOPO, this is where we charge my phone, yeah. This is where we charge phone, yeah. We charge phone. This is MOPO. It survives people in the street, yeah.
Before, my business is down because I can't afford the fuel. It's one of my customers that told me that they used to rent MOPO. So I can plug my phone, plug one of my clipper, and my customer will also plug his phone. So since I've been using it, I have so many customers, and it's perfect. Everybody asks for it. Everybody knows me because when they go to another place, they didn't used to answer them. That anytime they come to my shop, they know that I will always have light on my clipper to bag.
Without Energy Catalyst, it would be very difficult to do the kind of R&D that we like to do. To be honest, we've been able to really double down on execution. It's one thing to take an existing product or service into a new market, but often for us, we're taking a new product and a new service into a new market, and we're therefore market making. And it's quite difficult for private finance to come into that. But what we've found is with Energy Catalyst support, we've been able to take ideas through that ideation phase into becoming a semi-commercial reality. And then from there, we've been able to leverage that with commercial capital. And what that's resulted in is viable, sustainable subsidiary companies. The next few years for Mobile Power fit into two categories: broadening our reach geographically and deepening our scope. Geographically, we've just signed an infrastructure deal in Nigeria, which will see us launch many, many hubs across the country. And in DRC, we've recently scaled up, and we're really excited about that market. In terms of scope of the product, the MOPO Max, our larger battery, is a game changer.
So behold, our MOPO Max. Yeah. Are you not excited? I really need to be excited about it. Yes. So this does not release any carbon monoxide into the atmosphere.
It's small enough to be carried in one hand, but it's also large enough to be able to displace a small petrol generator. The energy in it is about 20 times that of the MOPO 50 to achieve even higher levels of energy consumption and complete flexibility.
I'm already excited about the MOPO Max. I can't wait to have it start running in Nigeria. So that is the future of MOPO right now, and I see us innovating more things that can make life more comfortable for people, everything renewable, just to reduce the rate of consumption on petrol, diesel, and that's where I see MOPO taking over the energy space.
We see that when we put a MOPO battery in the hands of a consumer, we're really giving them leverage for their economic productivity. So our job is to provide the energy in the most flexible form possible, and the consumer's job is to figure out how to use that most effectively to provide economic value and achieve those development goals.
Oh, MOPO bring the light to your home. Charge your phone with MOPO.